Every day in your house, you are always thinking, what can I do to start making extra income? Perhaps the kind of job that I can give myself to and, make it my full-time job. But in this video, I'm going to help you know some of the things you can give yourself to. Basically, day-to-day job. In my previous video, I talked about online job that you can learn and start making additional income. Side also you can learn to start making additional income to support yourself and your family. And in this video, I'll be talking about, day-to-day job that are very easy to learn and they are very lucrative. It means immediately you start it, you start making money from it. So it doesn't require, longer time to learn. It doesn't require, huge amount to start with. So you just have to learn it and, start making money from it immediately if you are consistent. So stop thinking and stop seeing yourself too big to do this job. All you just need to do is to, give yourself to this job. The truth you need to understand is no job is too bad as far it is providing what you need. No job is ugly as far the job is genuine and it is taking care of your need. Do not listen to that brother who is trying to laugh at you because you are doing, a kind of job that, he thinks it doesn't make sense. But the truth is, if the job is paying your bill and is good for you, then go on with it. And these are the kind of job I'm going to be talking about right now. And these jobs are around you, or these skills are just around you. You must have been seeing yourself too big to do them. But the truth is, if you go deeper, you come to see that people who are doing this are enjoying doing it and they are making a lot from it and they are kind of financially free, and you are just sitting down there, considering how can you start doing that job, or why should you do such job. If you want Sakpa to run away from you and your household right now, then stay with me to the end of this video because I brought good news to you. All right, my name remains Philip, and if you love what I do, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. And if you are a newcomer to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button. It is one way you support me to never give up on doing something like this. And if you've been here with me, please watch to the end of this video. If you've done all of this, let's rock and roll. As I said earlier, do not consider any job or work that take care of your responsibility ugly or bad. No work is bad as far it takes care of your responsibility. So I'm just going to start telling you some of the most lucrative skill you can start learning right now and give yourself to and start making additional money. Perhaps make it a full-time job. And this work I'm going to be telling you about, I've interviewed people who does this work and I've gotten good report from them. Because of that, I have the full confidence that if you give yourself to this job, you will become financially free. All right, let's get to it. So the skill number one is babysitting. I'm so sure that there are people around you who have kids, and because of their kids, they are limited to do so many things. For example, their job doesn't give them the opportunity to take their kids to the workplace. So because of that, they need person or they need someone who will be helping them take care of this baby. If you are a woman and you have a house that you are staying and you believe that you can make your house more beautiful than as it is right now, I believe this job is very good for you. All you just need to start with is to make your house beautiful enough that will impress people who have kids to come into and leave their kid with you. And how can you do that? First thing is to make sure you are able to raise, a little amount of money to buy toys. Buy toys and place it in wherever place those children are going to be staying, probably your city room. Make sure you have colorful things in your city room because colorful things attract children, makes them feel comfortable and makes them feel happy. So maintain your house in such a way that they will feel more comfortable and ready to stay. Perhaps their parents as well. So buy colorful things, buy toys, and make sure you doesn't have any sharp object around your house so that those children will not go and just take sharp object to begin to fight or injure themselves. So take all those things away from your house and make your house a conducive place to stay. So the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and knock on people's gates. Let them know that you can take care of their baby for them. You can help them see their baby throughout the day while they are working, and assure them that their baby will be safe and sound. Let them know that you are ready to do this job very well. Knock at their gate, create a flyer, create a banner, paste it in junctions, and help people see the need why they have to keep their baby with you. If you start this job in a no time, you come to see that people will trust you and want to leave their baby with you. And with that, your house will be, as full of baby, and you will love the job and begin to make money from it. Before you know, you can charge them a lot of money and they will be ready to pay. This job is very lucrative. I've seen people done this work and they are benefiting a lot from it today. So viewing it from the start, it might seem hard, but in the long run, you find joy doing it because it is so joyful taking care of baby. So the next key I would like to talk about is phone charging. Phone charging is one of the lucrative skill in Nigeria currently. I'm so sure that there are a lot of places around you who doesn't get 24 hours light. Yes, I'm so sure of that. Even Banana Island, one of the most beautiful places in Nigeria, doesn't have 24 hours light. I'm correct. It's hardly before in Nigeria you find a 24 hours light, throughout the year. Possibly where you are watching this video from. And I'm so sure that you get less hour of light during the day. And if you watch around your surrounding and you see that you doesn't get light frequently, this job is for you. Remember, anything you do that takes care of your responsibility is not ugly. You can use this job to start with while you are looking for a more better job. I just interviewed one of my close neighbor who does this work, and he said he makes more than 10K every day doing this job, even after paying, the necessary thing like, after buying fuel and after eating, he do save 10K every day. So you can see that this job is very good. If you can save 10K every day, so in a month, you can possibly save 300,000 naira. Meanwhile, people who have professional job cannot receive that amount of money, cannot get that as a salary, and perhaps you have your free time to go anywhere you want to go without anyone commanding you, without anyone bossing you around. So charging phone for people is one lucrative way to start making money today. And it's very easy to start. All you just need to do is that your gen that you have at your backyard that you've not been using for so long because of the increment in fuel price. You just have to go use wheelbarrow and, pull it out, roll it to the junction, get a kiosk, perhaps a store, or however you can make the store look like, the kiosk look like. Create it and make sure everything is safe there. So start it, buy sockets, buy fuel into the gen, and, tell people about what you do. And before you know it, a lot of people will start coming and plugging their phone and their power bank. You can charge them 200 or 300, depending as the case may be in your surrounding. So doing that, you can start making money every day. Perhaps if NEPA even brings light, you can use that as additional opportunity to make more money, because when NEPA brings light, you can then off your gen and people will still come and charge your phone. Perhaps you still have people for still being charged and you make additional income. You get the logic. So charging phone is one job opportunity you can, consider right now to start making additional income. So the third on our list I would like to talk about is POS business. POS means points of sale. So as you can see, all around Nigeria, beside your vicinity, there are lots of people doing POS work. In case you don't know, POS agents are making a lot of money each day, and to start it is very easy. All you just need to do is to have little money to start with. If you don't even have money on your own to start with, borrow from someone, and I assure you can easily pay back because of how much profit you'll be making every day, most especially if your place is busy. So to start it, you just need to get that money, at least 100,000 naira to start with, and then get a POS terminal. Getting a POS terminal is very easy. Meet someone or perhaps someone who is already in the job and ask how you can get it, and I believe they will be able to link you to someone who can provide a terminal for you, a POS terminal. So after getting it, look for a spot to stay. Make sure the place is busy. Even when there are others there, still mark your place there. So the business is competitive because there's no place you will go, you will not see them. So even though they attend there, be the number 11 person and you will still make your money during the day. A lot of people cannot go to bank these days. So POS is more closer to them. So you only withdraw and you get the money back into your accounts while you pay them the cash. So it's very easy to start with. So do not think this business is ugly. It's not ugly in any form. You are not different from people in the bank. The only difference is those people, they receive AC, air condition every day, and you are just under your kiosk. The thing is, they are transacting money, and you too, you are transacting money. In fact, you made the job easier for them. So this is just a different, the kind of atmosphere they do theirs and where you also do yours is just the different. And perhaps if you come to calculate the salary every month, your salary, I'm so sure, will be bigger than their salary. So if I would say, that word, you are still an accountant, just like the way they are, because you count money and they count money. I'm just trying to make this thing look very beautiful to you. So do not see this job as an ugly job. It is a very good job that can help you be financially stable. So think about it, and I recommend you start doing it right away. So the fourth on our list is laundry. So laundry business is very good. It's very lucrative right now. So a lot of people doesn't find it a pleasant thing to wash their clothes by themselves or wash their rug or their duvet by themselves. So they need someone to always help them doing it and pay the person for it. So that is where laundry business comes in. I know there are a lot of you watching this video that have washing machine at home, and still you are thinking of a business to start. You have a washing machine and you are thinking of a business to start. So you just better watch this video and hear what I'm going to explain about laundry. So laundry business is a very lucrative skill. You can start this business with just having that washing machine alone. I've seen people who doesn't have washing machine but still they started laundry business. If people bring clothes to them, do you know what they will do? They will wash the clothes with their hand and make sure the clothes is clean and is well organized. So they started with their hand before they could afford a washing machine. So you already have a washing machine. All you just need to do is to let people know that you are starting this business. Create a flyer, create a banner, place it at the junction. Tell people around your surrounding. Make sure it's a living resident, so that people will see your flyer all the time and always come to you. So let people know about it, not at people's gate. Don't be ashamed. Tell them you wash clothes. Tell them you wash duvet, anything washable, even their shoe, you do wash them, so that you start making money from this opportunity. It's very good when you already have a washing machine, so people will then see you as someone who is ready to start. So if you have a washing machine, think no more. Take your washing machine out from your room and start doing this business. And I know in no time, you add additional extra washing machine and begin to make a lot of income. And the last on our list today, which is the number 5 job opportunity I'll be talking about, is akara business. So I grew up in a home where my parents love frying akara, especially my mothers. We grew up eating akara. So if you talk anything about akara business, I can be able to explain to you from the start to the finish how you can be able to make akara, and also how your benefit can come through making akara. You might see around you people making akara. It's very hard for you to see that they didn't finish selling the akara every day. And today we've come to see that things are getting more expensive. And with that, people are still buying this food. People are still buying akara regardless of how expensive it has become. Little akara, people sell it for 100 naira right now. But regardless of that, people still find joy buying and eating akara. So how do you get involved in this job? It is very simple. All you just need to do is to get a fry pan, get oil like groundnut oil or red oil, buy beans, wash it, and grind it and stir it and start frying akara. If you don't know how to do it, all you just need to do is to go and meet someone who is already involved in this business. Learn it within a month. It is very easy. Within a week, you are even almost perfect in frying akara. So learn it. Take time to learn it at least within a month. Educate yourself about it and start your own akara. It's very easy to start with. You can start with one rubber of beans, which is less than 3,000 naira, and start making your own akara. The only costly thing when it comes to frying akara is the oil. The oil now that you use to fry akara is very expensive. And mind you, if you use 2 liters of oil to start frying akara, you can use that 2 liters of oil for a very long time before it gets finished. So you can see that this thing is very cheap to start. And after all, you make enough benefit, from this business. After the end of the day, if you calculate your money, you see that you make a lot profit from this business during the day. So this business is very lucrative. It is very hard for you to see that wherever you match this business, it's very hard that people doesn't patronize you. It's a very good business, and I recommend this business for you if you are still thinking of what you want to do. So the truth is, the business doesn't concern age. Whether you are 18, whether you are 20, 30, 40, 60, you can still do this business. For example, you make money from this business today. You go out on a party. No one can tell if you are an akara fryer or you are inside the smoke every day. When you dress out and look beautiful, it doesn't concern people what you do. Your beauty is all they see. So be able to start this business and package it in a way that people will love this business is another thing. So when you start this business, try to package it. If you don't want to use firewood, can use gas where you cannot see any smoke. You will not experience any smoking. So there are different ways in which you can package this product, package this business, and people would like it. So you just go ahead. I recommend this business for you, and it is going to help you to be financially free. All right, friends, I believe what I've been able to say in this video today so far is this business or this job opportunity I've mentioned, they are very lucrative. Do not play with them. Do not see them as ugly. They are very good if you are considering what to start doing from your own. They are very good if you are considering how you can start making extra income. I know as you get involved in this business, you start making more from it and you will be happy. All right, if you got any value from this video and you want Sakpa to leave you, please click on the subscribe button and stay good and stay cool till we meet in next video. Bye bye.